Welcome to Saturday's Thought for the Day. Can I suggest you might take a few minutes to read our focus passage, Luke 20, verses 27 to 40. The Jewish authorities don't give up. Here's another conundrum for Jesus. It was a problem proposed by the Sadducees, who were a Jewish sect who didn't believe in the resurrection, while the Pharisees did. As one of my tutors used to say, that's why they were sad, you see. They bring a story tied up in Jewish law, where a childless widow is legally taken in by the brother-in-law. In their Aunt Sally's story, there are 7 brothers, each of whom becomes her husband, each of whom dies. The Sadducees regarded resurrection as a silly idea, because, among other things, in the afterlife, she would have 7 husbands. Who would then be in charge of her? Whose bed would she sleep in? Jesus spells out the nature of resurrection life. Now, some widows have been saddened by this passage. You mean my marriage to Tom or Mary won't mean anything in heaven? Jesus points out that there is no marriage bed in heaven, nor exclusive relationships. Simply a deeper, higher, and even greater relationship as children of God, where all relationships reach their highest fulfillment, where human labels that may imply superiority or submission, like wife or husband, rich or poor, boss or worker, black or white, don't mean a thing. Just people who are equally loved by God. Of course, Jesus had confused the Sadducees and was actually applauded by the Pharisees. The key for us is that we, like them, too often look at eternity through earthly eyes. We need to broaden and deepen our view of eternity and let God show us something of the glories and riches of it all. A prayer. Father, let me catch a bigger glimpse of the glorious inheritance you have for us. Amen. The Lord watches over you. The Lord is your shade at your right hand. He will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore.